guys, this is Mariam here. In this video, I'm going to make and paint a tote bag. This has been on my to-do list for a long time. So let's get started. Here, I'm using a cotton cloth. These are the measurements. I have folded one side of each cloth and sewed it. Then I will be sewing all the other three sides. Then I have taken the strips and folded them in half. I will be sewing them according to the seam. And one of the ends will be open. To turn it inside out, I have used an empty pen and a skewer. I will put the empty pen body inside the strip and then use the skewer to pull the fabric over it. After the fabric has been pulled together, I will remove the pen and then stretch the cloth. Here I have both the strips ready. I ironed the strips and then I will be attaching it to the body of the bag. It should be looking something like this. For the pouch, these are the measurements. I have cut out the axis. I have sewn the three sides and then attached a zipper. I used yarn to attach a hook on one of the ends. I will be cutting out some piece of yarn and then I will hook it around one of the handles of the bag. This is our canvas and these are my references for this painting. Here I have sketched out my design. Then I marked the place I wanted to paint in. Then I sketched the design on the bag. I put a board inside the bag so that if there's any leaking, it shouldn't pass through. Then I started the painting. Used pure white for the stem and then added some shadings using cream. For the pouch, I inserted a small piece of plastic inside. Then I painted a simple mushroom on it. And here we have it. You should iron the cloth from behind, and I will be posting